This easy to make chocolate cherry cake is a must in our family, and it's the only one that my husband requests every year for his birthday. It's an easy dump cake that starts off with a box cake mix. I like to use a Devil's Food one for this recipe. This one's a copycat Black Forest cake, so a can of cherry pie filling goes in next. Not only does it add that great cherry flavor, it keeps the cake super moist and it's delicious. Next up come 2 eggs. Just crack them in a bowl and make sure to beat them first so they mix completely into the cake batter. Next up, we're going to add in some extra chocolate with some semi-sweet chocolate chips and also a little bit of almond extract. Then you're going to gently stir the batter. You just want to combine the ingredients till there's no more dry ingredients in it. Then you're going to spread the cake batter into a greased 9 by 13 baking dish. I like to use butter to grease my pan because it adds even more delicious flavor to the cake. Then you're going to bake this in the oven. And while the cake is baking, you're going to make a quick fudgy frosting. It starts off with some chocolate chips, some powdered sugar, some butter, along with a little milk. It becomes smooth and glossy. It's absolutely fudgy and delicious. When the cake comes out of the oven, you're going to let it cool a little bit and then top it with that delicious fudge icing. It gets into all the nooks and crannies in the cake. This cake is absolutely delicious. It's going to disappear as soon as you make it. Top it with a few chopped maraschino cherries to give it an extra cherry punch. Grab this easy recipe on amycaseycooks.com.